Yeah, so here we go. I'm doing a follow-up video on my bike. Done a lot of stuff to it since I posted the first video, so I saw a request for an updated video, so I figured I'd do it. What have I done differently? Simple thing. Change the gas cap now. Just got a stem filter on there. A big thing is that I've gotten rid of the suspension triple tree forks. I've just got these straight forks now. No more suspension. I was having some issues with the dirt bike muffler and the wheel. The size, these are 29-inch wheels or whatever, so I'm getting ready to get some 26s. But at the time, it was what I had to do, so I still have the triple tree in the house. The other thing is, obviously, I got the dirt bike muffler on. Totally different. Also, the cylinder is painted black. And the reason it's painted black is because it's been ported. I ported this engine out, and it went from a 50-mile-an-hour bike to a 60-mile-an-hour bike. Just that quick. What else? I put that 28 tooth sprocket on. I got rid of that 30-inch sprocket and put the 28 on. So now the chain tensioner, as I complained about in the first video, is now working perfectly with the 28. It's perfect. And you can see right there again, 28. Little tiny little girl. Also changed the fuel valve, got like a better one on there, and that's about it. I guess I start her up real quick. Put the choke on. And there it is, Little Ripper. That's the name of this bike, Little Ripper. Ripping it up. Alright guys, take it easy.